Hello there. Here is your explanation, Unit 1, the grammar of Lesson 2, which is about the present perfect continuous. It's in your book on page 44 and 45. I've done this in class, but I'm making a video so you can have a look at it again. Before you learn the present perfect continuous, you also have to understand the present perfect. So I put them next to each other like we did in class. And then we're going to see when do you use the present perfect, when do you use present perfect continuous, so that you know the difference. You use the present perfect when you focus on the result. Look, I've cleaned my car. You see, it's shiny, it's nice, it's clean. I've cleaned my car. That's the result. When you focus on the activity, you say, I've been gardening, for example, because it's so nice out there. So I have been gardening. Present perfect says how many. And what is it then? She's read 10 books this summer. That's how many. She's read 10 books this summer. It's also the result. Do you see that? She read 10 books. And the present continuous says how long. Not how many, but how long. She's been reading that book all day. So, she's been reading that book all day. That is how long, and she's read 10 books this summer. Then you know how many. So there you wouldn't say she has been reading 10 books. No, it's a result. So she's read 10 books. The present perfect also describes a completed action. And for example, I've written you an email. That is finished. The email is finished. I've written you an email. Present continuous describes an activity which may continue. I've been writing emails. So more than one, and it might go on. In your book, it's in Dutch, so if you've got a problem with this, then check your book and read along. Now, there was also something last year with the present perfect. I told you about fijne jas, and then you have to use the present perfect. And fijne jas stands for yet, never, ever, just, already, and since. These are the key words. And also, you don't know when. If you don't know when, you use the present perfect. With the present perfect continuous, it's a little bit the same, because you see 4 hours, 4 ages, 4 weeks, but then you use present perfect continuous because it goes on. It's been more on the, not on the activity and not on the result, or whole day or all day, or since Tuesday or all week. Then you have to use present perfect continuous. The verb, also very important. For present perfect, have, has, past participle. What is a past participle? Voltooid deelwoord. Remember? Voltooid deelwoord. Yeah. How do you make a past participle? With a verb. What do you do with a verb? It's plus ed or the third form. With the present perfect continuous, it's always have or has. It's always been, then the verb, then ing. So, have been verbing, has been verbing, and for verb you can say do, have been doing, learn, have been learning, make, has been making, clean, have been cleaning. It's always like that. When do you use have? When do you use has? Have for I, we, you, they. You hear no s. Have, I, we, you, they. There's no s. Has for he, she, it. There is an s. He, she, it. You know the he, she, it. Then you use has. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. And I see a comma, but it's a dot, g.bos@wedeswijger. Or Hangout, you can ask questions. No problem with that. And of course, YouTube. So, if you go to All Right and you do exercises 5, 6, 7 online, you will find out if you understand it. So good luck, do your best, ask questions if necessary. Goodbye.